want to make a note about irrevocable trusts, which are different than revocable living trusts. An irrevocable trust can be one that is created during your lifetime. It can be a trust that is created by your will on your death or by your revocable living trust on your death. Irrevocable trusts have a much different rules. They will have their own tax ID number. The tax treatment of them will be different than if it was a revocable living trust. They have a lot of extremely useful purposes. For wealthy individuals, they can give away their assets to this irrevocable trust to get those assets outside of their estate. Because if they are outside of their estate, then they are not within that person's estate when they die, so they're not going to be taxed for the estate tax. So for wealthy individuals, irrevocable lifetime inter vivos trusts are definitely something to consider. Irrevocable trusts are also something that are not uncommonly used for Medicaid planning. Medicaid has a 5-year look back. If you give away your assets to an irrevocable trust 5 years before you apply for benefits, that is fine with Medicaid, as long as you set up that trust correctly, which in states means different things. In Washington, it means that you did not remain in control, like as a trustee, and that you're not a beneficiary of the principal of the assets of that trust. Whenever you are looking at an irrevocable trust, remember I mentioned before, can I do this myself? I'm going to just tell you flat out, unless you're an estate planning and elder law attorney, an irrevocable trust by yourself is a horrible idea because it's irrevocable. You can't fix it. Lawyers have ways to fix irrevocable trust, but I got to tell you that involves a lot of time, effort, and that means money. So irrevocable trust, a great planning tool, not to be done on your own. Talk to your attorney to find out how an irrevocable trust, either a lifetime one or one through your will or through your revocable living trust, might be a really good idea from tax planning, from asset protection, and such.